Hello friends, I am MB Gaddi, lecturer in EC department. Today I am going to discuss regarding transmission media PPTs. Transmission media. In this, topics included guided media, types of guided media, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, then unguided media. Types of guided media means twisted pairs. Two wires are twisted and information is transmitted. Coaxial cable, optical fiber, the information is converted into light signal and it is transmitted. And one more is there, that is unguided media. What is transmission media? Sending of data from one device to another through medium is called transmission media. Transmission media consisting of guided and unguided. Next one, guided wired. Guided transmission media means the data signals are guided along the path like cabling system. It is transmitted through the wires. Types of guided media. Guided media, first one, twisted pair, coaxial cable and optical pair. Twisted pair. Figure shows two wires are twisted. Consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern to minimize the electromagnetic interference between adjacent parts. That is, two wires are they are going to take and twisted. Often used at customer facilities and also over distance to carry wires as well as data communication. Low frequency. Next one, twisted pair. It is called shielded twisted pair STP. The pair is wrapped with metallic foil or braid to insulate the pair from electromagnetic interference. That is, two wires are twisted and above coating will be there. UTP, unshielded twisted pair. Each wire is insulated with plastic wrap, but the pair is encased in an outer covering. The figure shows shielded twisted pair and unshielded twisted pair, STP and UTP. Next one, we are going to study twisted pair advantages. Inexpensive and readily available. It is not costly and it is readily available. Second one, flexible and lightweight, very lightweight, easy to work with and install. It is very easy to work and install. Disadvantages, susceptibility to interference and noise. It is introduces noise attenuation problem. Third one, relatively low bandwidth for 3000 Hz. Next one, coaxial cable used for cable televisions. For examples, local area network, telephony, etc. It has an inner conductor surrounded by a braided mesh. Both conductors share a common central axial, hence the term coaxial. Figure shows coaxial. First one braided shield, foil shielded, center conductor, then outer jacket, etc. The figure shows the construction of coaxial cable. Advantages of coaxial cable. First one, higher bandwidth. It can be used for higher bandwidth, 400 to 600 megahertz, up to 10,800 voice conversations. Can be trapped easily. Pros and cons. Much less susceptible to interference than twisted pair. Next one, disadvantages. High attenuation rate makes it expensive over long distance. Second one, it is bulky. Here attenuation is more and it is expensive also. Next one, very interesting point, that is fiber optic cable. Optical fiber cable consisting of glass core surrounded by a glass cladding with slightly lower refractive index. In most networks, fiber optic cable is used as the high speed backbone, and twisted wire and coaxial cable are used to connect the backbone to individual devices. Now, construction of fiber optic cable. It consists of three concentric sections. First one, cladding. The frontal one, glass or plastic core. Second one, plastic buffer. One more is there at the end, dew point Kevlar for strength, then outer jacket. These are the parts of the optical fiber cables. Then advantages of optical fiber cables over UTP and STP. First one, greater capacity, bandwidth of up to 100 Gbps, gigabytes per second, smaller size and lighter weight. Third one, lower attenuation. Attenuation is very low. Immunity to environmental interference. That is, it can has withstand capability to environmental conditions, temperature or any heat effect, etc. Highly secure due to tap difficulty and lack of signal radiation. Disadvantages. First one, expensive to install. Very, it is a superior one, but it is expensive. It requires highly skilled installers. That is, high superior technicians are required to install this optical fiber cable. Adding additional nodes, it is difficult. Then unguided media, that is nothing but wireless transmission waves. It can be classified into three groups. First one, radio wave, second one, microwave, third one, infrared. Now let us study the block diagram of optical fiber cable system. It consisting of first one, driver circuit, light source, LED, then optical fiber cable, receiver or detector. Next point, processing in circuit, light source, again detector and amplifier. The information which is to be transmitted, it is first converted to electrical signal to light wave, and it is transmitted through the optical fiber cable. Receiver, it will be receives, that is light signal is converted to electrical signal. Processing unit, what, repeater, whatever the information is transmitted, no, due to noise or any interference will be there, we are going to converting again, it's what, light signal to electrical signal, and again it is amplified and transmitted, again it is transmitted, then it is transmitted to the detector, which will be detects the original signal, amplifier, which raises the strength of the weak signal. Then optical fiber cables, these are works on the principle of what, optical laws, that is light laws. Light always travels in a straight line, it is called the rectilinear propagation of light. Then incident ray and reflected ray are lie in the same plane. These are the basic laws of optical light rays. Then the figure shows what, n1 is one medium, another is n2 is another medium. When light travels from one medium to another medium, it is bending, that is called the refraction. We are going to measuring also refractive index. The figure shows what, incident ray in n1 medium, then phase angle phi 1, then it is refracted in n2 medium, it is theta 2, then the material will be there, material boundary, then reflected ray. Mathematically, n1 sine of phi 1 equal to n2 sine of phi 2. Basic optical laws, that is refractive index, n equal to c divided by phi, where c is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Phi is the speed of light in material. N, refractive index of air equal to 1. Another n for pure glass, n equal to 1.5. Usually, according to the laws, n1 is greater than n2. That is, n1 sine of phi 1 equal to n2 sine of phi 2 with reference to the figure. Propagation of light through optical fiber. The three diagrams are there, which will be shows propagation of light through the biopsy. Then optical laws. The diagram shows N2 cladding, N1 core, again reflected ray, cladding, refracted ray. How the light will be travels in the optical fiber. Optical laws. Already we have studied, the same will be there, but with reference to diagram, n naught sine theta naught equal to n1 sine theta, n naught sine theta naught equal to n1 sine of 90 minus theta, n naught sine theta naught equal to n1 cos of phi 1, also n1 sine of phi 1 equal to n2 sine of phi 2. Theta naught is gradually increased. Theta increases and phi 1 reduces till critical angle. Limiting stage is when light reacts. Theta naught equal to theta naught max. Phi 1 equal to 5C. One more is there, numerical aperture. It is mathematically defined with reference to one triangle, N2 one side of the triangle, N1 one side of the triangle, and one more angle can be calculated as per the Pythagoras theorem. Then wave propagation through the optical fiber. Then fiber structure, low loss fiber, that is made from glass core, glass cladding, glass cladding. Low loss means light will not be lost. Medium loss fiber, that is its constructions. Glass core, plastic cladding, clad, plastic core, plastic cladding. Has high loss, cheaper as clad covering, is elastic, abrasion resistant plastic material. Gives strength and protects fiber from geometric irregularities, distortion, and roughness of adjacent source. Then types of fiber. First one, monomode step index fiber. Second one, multimode step index fiber. Third one, multimode graded index fiber. The figure shows three types of fibers. Types of fiber structure. Step index fiber. Here, a refractive index is constant throughout and changes sometimes at interface. Constant in cladding. Graded index fiber. Refractive index reduces gradually from center to interface and constant in clad.